Yeah, I was just saying about that Dreaming track. Good track. Yeah. But I say I didn't want to do the. I want to do the bass. Oh God, no! You're not letting him in. Oh bloody hell! Hello, darling. How you doing? All right, lovely. Yeah.
It's great to meet you, man. It's been a lifetime ambition of mine. You guys made me start music, you know.
After the burglary.
Yeah.
After the burglary. I love that story, man, with the gloves with no fingers.
Yeah. That's typical me, that is. Hey, I'll see you later, Paul.
Yeah, all right, man. Come on, let's have a quick Peggy. Come on.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah.
Press right now, installed and all that.
Hey, listen, you ever see that early stuff of the Beatles?
Which
By
one?
the Maisels.
I've got absolutely everything.
Okay. Meet Albert Maisels.
Oh, really?
Hey, man! That's Al. He shot it. Are you ready for me? Okay. I'll see you, babe. Check it.